Hi there, Richard here. Are you running a business or have an idea that you're passionate about? What if I told you we could take you on a journey to help you turn that idea into financial freedom? Here's the thing, every successful business follows similar stages, from the spark of an idea to achieving financial freedom. Let me break it down for you. First, it starts with the idea, that brilliant concept you believe in. But having the idea isn't enough. You need to build a business around it. That's where the real work begins. You'll need to create a brand that resonates, develop a website to showcase your offering, and most importantly, take it to the market. Getting your message out there, generating leads and closing those all-important sales, that's how you begin to grow. But it doesn't stop there. To succeed, you need the right systems, the right people, and yes, the power of AI technology today. AI can help you maximize efficiency and close more deals faster than ever before. Once you've made those sales, it's all about delivery. How do you provide your products or services to your customer in the most efficient way possible? By building strong teams with the right skills and leveraging AI, you can scale your operations while staying ahead of the curve. Now let's talk about money, because this is where many businesses stumble. It's not about turnover, it's about bottom line pre-tax profits. Turnover might look good on paper, but it's the profit you make before taxes that really determines the health of your business. You'll also need to think about how you keep more of what you earn. This means taking your drawings in the most tax efficient way possible and ensuring that you're not paying more tax than you need to. Are you leveraging allowances and structuring your income correctly? These strategies can make a huge difference in your take-home income while staying compliant. By managing your cash flow, controlling costs and working with the right finance professionals, you'll not only grow sustainably, but also hold on to more of the money you've been working hard to earn. And then there's wealth. What happens when you're ready to scale down or sell your business? How do you invest wisely and make sure your wealth grows? Here's the best part. We've got you covered at every stage. From idea to operation, growth to retirement, we have the experts to guide you. Finance gurus, tax advisors, and investment strategists. So if you're ready to turn your idea into financial freedom, let's talk. Together, we can map out your journey and make it happen.